Hi everyone, bonjour, bonsoir, welcome back for another video in No Break November. So these are the set of locks. If you guys watched the video of me washing thick locks, these are the set of locks that are in that video. And in this video, I am going to be retwisting those locks. Basically, after we washed, I added some jojoba oil to his scalp and also some almond oil. And from there, I used that to help me separate his roots. I stimulated his scalp with a light scalp massage. And then we proceeded on to retwisting. And separating his hair was not that bad at all. It looks like a lot because he has so much hair. His hair is so dense and full. It looks like it would be a lot and it would be impossible to not tear it apart, but separate the locks, but it really wasn't. And he really honestly does not separate his locks in between maintenance, or at least he doesn't make it a point to really separate them. He said he's tried to separate them a few times, but it hurts, and that's because he tried to separate them dry. So he gets quarterly retwists. That means he retwists maximum 4 times per year. And I told him and advised him during this retwist that if he is going to try and separate his roots, at least dampen his hair or just wash his hair and separate it during the wash. That is the best way to do it without hurting yourself and without damaging and breaking your hair. And that will cause thinning, especially on thick locks. And he has really, really dense hair, so that's an advantage to him not retwisting that often and keeping his locks thick and healthy. And his hair has also been combined 3 to 4 times. He's combined them, then combined them again, then combined them again because he wanted them thicker and thicker. And he also says he's going to continue to combine them. He will combine when they get a little bit longer or a few more years down the line. He will combine again. So he has lines in his head that I follow, and whenever it's time for him to retwist, although he doesn't really separate his roots on his own, whenever he does come back to me for a retwist, it's still not hard to find the lines. It's not a huge deal to separate his roots. I don't have to use scissors. And like I said, it looks like a lot because he has dense hair, but it's really pretty easy to do his maintenance. The washing actually is the most tedious part of washing his hair because his hair is so thick. If you're not careful, if you're not taking your time, you may underwash his hair, if that makes sense. So I really take my time and wash his hair really good because that's a lot of hair. And because it's in locks, it's even more of a task to get water running through there and shampoo and making sure it's really clean. And also he has not used gel in terms of maintaining his hair. We have only washed and replaced oils after the wash. And of course, when he's at home, he will oil his hair and do things of that nature to keep up with the health of his hair. But when it comes to maintenance or retwist, we have not had to use any holding products so far. I don't have many videos on this channel about his hair, but I believe the very first video I uploaded was maybe a week ago about just maintaining his hair pretty much. And you can go check that one out too if you want to. And that is the result of his retwist. He sat under the dryer for about an hour and a half to completely dry his hair. And then after that, his hair was put into a 2-strand twist style. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me through No Break November. More videos to come to end out the month. If you have any future videos that you want to see or you want to request a certain video, become a member. That's the easiest way to request a video, and a video specialized for you, how you want to see it. Definitely become a member and request videos. You can request videos, you can request, there's a lot of perks that come with membership. So if you're interested in anything like that, go to the membership section of my channel and review these specific memberships and see which one you would like. And that's it. Thank you guys. Bye.